We are pleased to show you the 2017 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, trailer brake controller, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.